In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the top on the left. Then before creating new alarm, use those three dots at the top right corner. Select settings and manage all of those under alarms however you want to. Then go back and use this button with a plus at the bottom to set up an hour. Now to create new alarm, hit OK in select time pop-up and wait. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Now it's time to adjust it. First of all, click on Add Label and if you wish to name your alarm. Then tap on OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Click on Pause Alarm over here and exclude some dates. Tap on OK to save them and on Remove button to get rid of them. Then you can click on this little bell. Tap on YouTube Music at the top, log in and use music from this platform. Select Sounds, click on Add New and pick any song from your device. Or just tap on any of those sounds, like neon. Either way, after going back this time, you can add your alarm or remove it from Google Assistant routine by clicking on this icon. And to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. If you want to switch off or on your alarm, use this switcher next to it, and to get rid of it, click on this icon at the top right corner again, and select Delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!